Andrew is a digital marketing professional and works as an affiliate. As a digital marketing professional, Andrew was used to spending hundreds of dollars every month buying many different tools. Things changed when he found out about Builderall. By adopting our platform, he saved both time and money, since all the tools he needed were within Builderall's unlimited system. Andrew can create dozens of funnels to build lists with capture pages, split testing, and conversion stats. He is also capturing, managing, automating, and sending unlimited numbers of marketing emails. Today, Andrew has more than 50,000 emails registered in different niches and can sell his products and promote launches every week using Builderall's webinar tool. With Builderall, Andrew has everything he needs in one place. How about you? What's your story? Would you like to leverage your business or idea and turn yourself into the successful entrepreneur that you've always wanted to be? Here, you can transform your $1 million idea into a $1 million business. I am Eric Salgado, and I am inviting you now to register on Builderall to get immediate access to all our tools, courses, trainings, and sales funnels. You will be pleasantly surprised by all we have to offer. We can work together to write your success story on the internet. Builderall is the most complete online business platform available to anyone, anywhere, and I created it for people just like you. So sign up now.